Educational content and Bible story are one of the highest paying niche on YouTube. Watch this and see.
A long time ago, the world was full of people who didn't listen to God, but one man named Noah loved and obeyed him. God told Noah to build a big boat, called an ark, because a huge flood was coming to clean the earth. Noah obeyed God and brought his family and two of every kind of animal, lions, giraffes, birds, and more, onto the ark, just like God said. Then it started to rain for 40 days and 40 nights. Water covered everything but Noah, his family, and the animals were safe inside the ark. When the rain stopped, the water slowly went away. Finally, the ark rested on dry ground. God put a beautiful rainbow in the sky as a promise that he would never flood the whole earth again.
So let's dive in. Let's see how you can create a story like this and operate a faceless content on YouTube. Thanks. Okay, the first thing you go to your chat GPT, so this is how it's going to look like. Then you create generate a short Bible story. Okay, so ChatGPT is generating it, the parable of the lost sheep. Parable of the lost sheep. Okay, this is okay. I think this is fine. Okay, let's make use of the parable of the lost sheep. Short Bible story. I think I need something better. I need something better. I need something better. Okay, let me generate. You can use it if you feel like, but I just need something more better. Generate a Bible story. Generate a Bible story for kids. Okay, I think that should be more better to bring more lovely Bible story. Okay, so the Noah's big boat. Okay, this should be better. So this way I got this the video you watch on the at the intro of this channel. Okay, I think this is fine. Noah's big boat. Noah's big boat. This is fine. This is okay. 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 All right. So let's work with this. Let's work with this. This is fine. This is better. All right. So we'll work with the Noah's big boat. So remember, I first of all used Chat GPT to generate my story. But if you can generate your own story by yourself, fine. Your idea is for you to create a prompt. So instead of creating the time, I just make use of ChatGPT to create that prompt, so that story I can now convert my text to video. And this is a written form now. So instead of writing the story, I asked ChatGPT to help me write it. That is what I just did. So we now go to our favorite AI. Those that are new here, this is Holo AI. HAILUO, Holo AI, the wonderful AI. So there you have text to video, uh, image to video, reference to video. So I'm on text to video now. Okay, so I'll try to generate a video. Uh, what just happened is that I copied each of the paragraph. So I want to make a video from each of the paragraph. Now I'm trying to tell a story. So each of the paragraph, trying to generate a story from each of the paragraph. So the Noah's big boats. So I want to generate a video of two animals now. I've already generated some. So because if I said I should start generating each of these on this video will be longer. So I'm trying just to make it short and pass the message. Okay, so here I'm trying to generate a video of pair of animals in two, which will include elephant, lion, birds. Okay, okay, which should include elephant, lion, birds, frog, and even little ants. So I just want to show a story, a video where you see animal walking to Noah's Ark. So this is the prompt I'm trying to generate. So you can re-edit it if you feel like. So you go to your Holo AI. If you are new there, you register every day. You'll be given 100 coins. Each of your prompt is 30 coins. So if you want any video you ask the AI to generate, 30 coins will be deducted from your free 100 coins that you are giving every day. So if you need more activities, more videos, once you finish your 100 coins, that is 90, you won't be able to generate more unless you pay. But if you have other phones, like 2 or 3 phones, you can make use of it and generate as much as possible. So this is another trick you can use to generate more video and consistent character. Yes, consistent character. All right, so that is for that. Okay, so I'm generating it and I can see it's loading. Others too are loading as well. Please, if you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Okay, so I want to generate another video again. I erase it. I go to my chat GBT. I copy another paragraph again. Each of the paragraph I'm trying to generate video for each of them, just to make to add up the character, because the character need to be consistent. Okay, so I need a consistent character for each of the videos. So I pick up the one that you can summarize it as well. You just look at the one you've copied. Okay, look at maybe when the rain start falling, the way the animals walk, just like you're telling the story. You go back to your text to video again, you generate it again. Okay, just like I'm trying to do, I'm trying to generate another video. Generate the video of the sun coming out. Okay, from from the from the sky. All right, does this make sense? Okay, and the video of the sun coming out from the sky. Okay, okay, a beautiful rainbow. All right, so some of my videos are out. You can see one is ready already. Others are still loading as well. You can see. All right, so that's the first one. I generated short videos. So after you've done this, you now go back to your editing and make use of InShots. Some people use CapCuts. So you put all those videos together. Yes, you put them together in layers. So you add each of the character. You can see the way uh, Noir from each of the way the story went. I generated them in each of the character. So this is people that did not obey God. So then you go to your AI speech. I want to make use of the voice there. I don't want to be like it's my voice recording. I need a voice to come out. So I will copy the prompt, the story. I pasted it on the AI speech. Okay. So I can re-edit it. Let me look for the voice that
Hi,
suits
this is my
this.
voice tone.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Okay. That's cool.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Alright, so let me generate. So you generate. Wait for it to generate so that I see how it looks like. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you have any question or comments, you can share this with friends as well. There are a lot of things here. You want to get subscribing to my channel.
Noah's
Thanks.
Big Boat. A long time ago, the world was full of people who
So
didn't listen
it
to
is
God.
open.
But one man named Noah loved and obeyed him. God told Noah to build a big
It's fine.
boat, called an ark because a huge flood was coming to clean the earth. Noah trusted God and worked hard to build the ark, even though others laughed at him.
Okay.
He brought his family and two of every
So it
kind
is
of
okay.
animal lions, giraffes, birds, and more onto the
Oh.
ark, just like God said. Then, it started to rain for
Okay. Let
40
Let me
days
make
and
use of
40 nights.
A
May
voice
voice
tone.
since it's my that is talking here. Let me use of May voice. May voice should be better. If you can make use of female voice, you can make use of male voice or female voice as well. But let me just try male voice. Let me see it. There you go. So you choose any voice of your choice. The name of this editing app is InShots. Okay. So you adjust it each of the
A long
videos
time
so that
ago, the
talk
world was
will
full of
go
people
with
who
it.
didn't listen to God, but one man named Noah loved and obeyed him.
Oh, this is
God
lovely.
told Noah to build a big boat, called an ark, because a huge flood was coming to clean the earth.
So here we are.
Finally, the ark
So
rested
you
on
can see
dry
the way I'm
ground.
adjusting it so that video, you increase the length, make it adjustable so that it can fit in,
God put a beautiful rainbow in the sky
so that
as a promise
the
that he would
speech will
never
end
flood
with
the
the video.
whole earth again.
So that is how we roll. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. See you in the next video.